Hello my dear students, welcome to Creative Learning. Today I am going to discuss multiplication with you. As we have already done part 1 and 2, the links are given in the description box. Today I will discuss part 3 with you, in which we will multiply 3-digit number with 3-digit. It is too easy. You have to keep only the steps in your mind. Now I am going to discuss step by step with you. In this total 5 steps you have to follow. In 2-digit multiplication and 3 with 2, the first step is same in all. Step 1 is to multiply unit digit of both the numbers. Now I am going to take one example in which we will multiply unit digit of both the numbers. Your number is 132 multiply with 224. Now the unit digit are 2 and 4. So first we will multiply 2 with 4. Then what will be the answer? The answer is 8. Now the step 2. In step 2 what we are doing? We are doing cross multiplication. Cross multiplication you know very well. In this the number is 132 and 224. First of all we will do cross multiplication of last digits 3 with 4 and 2 with 2, means tens digit as well as ones place unit digit. Both we will do the cross multiplication. 3 into 4 is 12 and 2 into 2 is 4. Then add, what is your answer? That is 16. It is showing the way of cross multiplication by arrows. Your answer is 16, 1 is carry forward and 6 we will write at the tens place and 8 at ones place. Now we are moving towards the step 3, that is again the cross multiplication and addition. What the number is same? Now in this we have to do the cross multiplication of 3 numbers. Clear? Ones place with 100 place in both the cases and tens place with tens place. Multiply 100 with 1 place, that is 1 into 4, that is 4. Now 2 into 2, that is also 4. Now tens place with tens place, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. Now your carry forward is 1. Add all these. What will be the answer? 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Now it is representing the cross multiplication by arrows. We are multiplying 100 place with ones place and ones place with hundreds place and 10 place with tens place. Now your answer is 568. Step 4. Again cross multiplication and addition. How we will do cross multiplication? What is left? That is 100 place and tens place. So now the cross multiplication of 100 place with tens place, that is 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 2 is 6 and carry. Your carry is 1, add all. What will come? 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Now it represents the arrows. Okay. How we can do multiply? Tens place with 100 place in both the cases. Clear? Now your answer is 9568. The last step is multiply 100 place with 100 place. It is also the case of 2 digit with 2 digit, in which we will multiply tens place with tens place. The case is similar here. Here is 3 digits. So the last step is to multiply 100 place with 100 place. Here 100 place is 1 and 2. So you have to multiply 1 with 2. That is 2. Now your final answer. What is your final answer? You are also doing multiplication. So your final answer is 29568. It is an interesting and easy method, so keep in mind, and if you like this channel, please subscribe it. I will bring more videos for you. Thank you.